Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra, whose son is in jail on murder charges, losing his cool today in Lakhimpur, where he was inaugurating an oxygen plant. This video shows him use abusive language about media persons who were present there. He also said they had, in fact, framed an innocent person. Let's take a look at the entire exchange. Alok Pandey joining us at this point with the latest on that big story. Alok, tell us exactly what happened. What was the minister asked that made him lose his cool like this when he knew there were cameras present and tracking his every move?
Well, it's quite shocking and it's very brazen for the minister to do something like this. I don't think we can play out the whole video without beeping a few words there, because he was extremely abusive to the media. And I was also just going through the clip that provoked this outburst or this aggression from the minister. All that he was asked was, what do you have to say about the charges or the added charges by the SIT against your son? Now, this is something that any journalist would ask the minister if one chanced upon him. The context, of course, is the fact that yesterday the SIT or the UP Police SIT probing the Lakhimpur killings had written to a magistrate saying that they had found in their investigation that the murder of 4 farmers and a journalist in October in Lakhimpur was part of a pre-planned conspiracy. And we do know, of course, that Ajay Mishra's son Ashish is the main accused in that murder case. So that is all that there is to it. The minister was there, he was inaugurating an oxygen plant. The journalists who were there, he first spoke about the oxygen plant. They gave him the bandwidth to speak about that. And then once he was leaving, they asked him, what do you have to say about the SIT's charges against your son? That's it. He got provoked. He first lunged at a journalist. Then he asked the second journalist to shut his camera. He was carrying a mobile phone, the journalist. He said, "Apna camera band kar." Not like this. He said it very aggressively. And then this entire video, and I'm sure we'll beat the words and play it out later. I mean, he is saying all kinds of things. He's saying that it is the media, and he's using uncharitable words to say that it is the media, the thieves in the media, or the thieves that are the media, who have caused an innocent person to be framed. He then says, the oxygen plant, this is an oxygen plant, how can you ask me a question like this? Then what should we do? I mean, if we don't ask him a question about this. But anyway, he then again lunges at the journalist. This is a 1 minute 30-second odd clip. Before the security and perhaps some of his party persons or advisors present, try and say, chaliye, and then he goes away. But I think this puts the spotlight on him even more. And one wonders about how a union minister cannot keep his cool when asked about something like this, because he knows and everyone knows that in Parliament the issue of his sacking has been raised just today by the opposition, and in a very vehement manner. And even in the past there have been questions about why this minister continues despite the fact that his son is arrested for murder, and the opposition says that his role should also be probed in the entire case because he was part of the conspiracy. Now obviously that is not proven. The police have not thought it fit to name him in an FIR or to question him.
So, Alok, my question to you then is, given this context where the government has faced so much opposition heat and calls to sack the union minister, the fact that we now have this sort of brazen VVIP display where he's attacking journalists, he's grabbing a mic, he's abusing journalists in the line of duty. Is this not just going to spiral further and really become a huge source of embarrassment for a government that has stood behind Minister Ajay Mishra right through, let him carry on with his responsibilities? This is now not just about his son anymore. And of course, there are all those questions there about whether a fair probe is possible when he is in charge of the Home Ministry. But now the minister himself, displaying this sort of behavior, what kind of questions does that raise?
Well, you are absolutely right. And if you remember, Ankita, right before this entire controversy, when these murders had happened, we reported on this extensively about how there was a clip that had also provoked the farmers to actually protest. Now, this man, Mishra, the minister, was at a function about a week before these murders took place. And I remember that he had said something that was very inciting, so to say. He had said, "Ki we will take care of these people, in लोगों को देख लेंगे, हमारे जिले में protest नहीं कर सकते, etc., etc." He had said a host of things. And that is what provoked the farmers in the first place to go out and protest. And then we know what happened. So the man, and like I said, he's a union minister. He's not a local politician. He's not somebody who is maybe a karyakarta who is displaying this kind of behavior. He's a union minister at the end of the day. The government has thought him fit, like you said, to let him continue on his post despite the mounting outrage over what is going on. And despite the fact that the police that is under a BJP government is saying that his son, and their investigations have shown up that his son was part of a pre-planned conspiracy, and we know that Ajay Mishra was also present in that area on the day that these murders took place. Despite that, this brazen behavior does not help his cause, it does not help his son's cause, it does not help the cause of public perception, and one is sure that after this video, and many are sharing it now on social media, etc.,
Right.
one is sure that there will be some kind of repercussion of this, one would assume.
Yes.
Unless
Alok, some reports
affirmative.
indicating at this point that Minister Ajay Mishra has already been summoned to Delhi in the light of all of this, and that he could be sort of coming back this evening itself. Are you hearing any confirmation of that?
I do not have any confirmation of that.
Right.
But one would assume what he generally also does, Ankita, is that he comes in, he does these small inaugurations, because Lakhimpur Kheri is the area from where he is the MP, and then he mostly goes back to Delhi. So it's difficult for me to say because the local BJP wouldn't confirm it. But one would assume, like I said, I was just saying that one would assume that after these videos, these embarrassing videos, have made it online and on social media and on television channels, perhaps the leadership will have a rethink about what's going on, because at the end of the day, for nothing else, that the elections are just 2 months away, and seems like these are very embarrassing for the BJP too.
Yes, indeed.